Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today we're inside my Hyundai Ioniq 5 because I'm going to be reviewing this super cool little dongle. It's so tiny, it's so powerful. What it does is if your car is equipped with Apple CarPlay, but it's wired Apple CarPlay, this tiny little thing turns it into wireless CarPlay. Yeah, look at that. It's just like a little USB flash drive. So little. It's the smallest wired to wireless CarPlay adapter I have ever come across, and that is just one of the reasons why I love it, as well as how great it works. Now, you can plug this directly in, just like as if it were a flash drive. You can plug it directly into the USB if your CarPlay, wired CarPlay is standard USB, and it fits and that works. If that doesn't work though, it's okay, because they include two wires, a USB extension wire in case it doesn't work for you to plug directly in there because of other stuff that's around that port, so you can use this. They also include a USB-C to USB in case your car has USB-C wired CarPlay adapter, and they include this really cool right angle adapter. So no matter what your setup is, they include everything in the box you need to make this work. And I love that it's just so tiny and so small, but so powerful. So all you got to do is plug this into that USB CarPlay port on your car for wired CarPlay, and this will magically turn it into wireless CarPlay. It's really easy to set up. So you plug it in. After you plug it in, you're going to see a little message comes up that tells you that CarPlay adapter, basically the name of the adapter, and a little bit of words, and you just go into your Bluetooth settings. Really easy. You choose that Bluetooth. You only have to do this the first time to set it up and connect to that Bluetooth, and then that's it. It'll set up the CarPlay. Anytime you get in your car after that, as soon as you start your car and this starts up, it'll just be automatic CarPlay. So let's see how cool and how easy that works. So when you get in your car, you start it up, you can leave your phone in your pocket or put it on a dock like I have. I'm going to start my car, and when you start the car, that's going to give power to the box. Because it's starting from a completely cold, no power state, it takes a minute for it to get started. Also takes a minute for my car to run through its process in order to get started. As you can see, Apple CarPlay is connected. It's reading the box itself. It knows that there is a CarPlay unit connected to the wired, which is the adapter, and then it starts, and there you go. You've got full CarPlay. Everything works just like it would if you were connected with a wire, except now it's wireless. Now you don't have to connect your phone. You can leave your phone in your pocket, or you can throw it on a dock or a car mount if you want to. You don't have to worry about it. And now every time I get in my car, I've got wireless CarPlay. And that little tiny adapter has given me wireless CarPlay, easy to use, simple setup, and good to go. So really an excellent product. If you are looking for a way to take your wired CarPlay in your car and turn it into wireless, then this dongle is great. It's so small, it takes up no space. You get the different wires and adapters so that you can set it up in the best way that works for you, whether you have USB-C or USB. So really excellent product. Definitely a product that I would recommend. And that is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for this playlist so you can keep up with future product reviews. If you have any questions, just post them down below. I'll do my best to get back to you as quickly as I can. That is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.